So traders, on today's video, I just want to update you guys and share to you guys possible direction for the coming 2 days on 3 pairs that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. The coming 2 days, which is today and Friday, usually upload on Wednesdays, but unfortunately yesterday there was some issues that I was going through, and there was some personal and family issues that I was facing, so I couldn't show up for you guys. But today I'm still here showing up fully for you guys, confident, optimistic, and ready to crash the markets and to catch some great pips. Do you guys get that? But as you're about to start the video, make sure you like the video, make sure you share the video, make sure you leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. If you're looking for a legit, or if you're looking for a mentorship course that you will rely on and that you will invest in, and that you believe that will be a dope, then you believe that will be a financial breaker and a forex journey breakthrough to you, then I guess you've came to the right place, because COT Academy has a discount in our in-person mentorship course, our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I won't say much and I won't do much, but I will simply leave my number, my Instagram link, and my Telegram link, or just comment down below that you're interested, and let us do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me share to you guys possible directions, and let me make sure that I update you guys and prepare you guys for the coming 2 days so we can have a great end to our trading week. Right, so first pair that we always work on, you guys are mindful, is nasdaq. So when you clearly look at nasdaq, you can clearly see that our structure on nasdaq is bullish, right? With our structure being bullish, if you guys understand that this is our all-time high resistance, if you have to zoom in the charts and go back to your history, you will understand that the zone that I've printed out, the 22247 and our 22219 zone, is our all-time high resistance, which price has currently violated and gave us a possible new high. So just to be quite frank to you guys, the only things that we might be focusing on the nasdaq is to look for those continuations to the upside above our very same all-time high zone. But if price will give us an indication of a break below, or price will give us that reversal to the downside, then I guess we might look for that move to the downside. But I make you be mindful of one thing: our structure is looking bullish, our behavior is looking bullish, and price is violating highs, meaning we're creating new highs, right? So all we can focus on is to anticipate those continuations to the upside only if price will trade above our zone. But if it happens that price violates below and gives us that bear momentum, then we're gonna do what price is showing us, and just move the way price is indicating to us. But without further ado, nasdaq, we're simply gonna wait and see what is gonna happen. Are we gonna stay above our all-time high resistance so we can look for those continuations, or are we gonna look for that move otherwise so we can look for those moves to the downside? We just don't know. Second pair, which is gold. So second pair, which is gold, you guys will clearly understand that if you watch our previous video, our weekly outlook video, you'll get the picture that on gold we did leave a clean indication on our weekly outlook that we're either looking for price to give us a fail to break support so we can look for those moves to the upside, or look for that break below support so we can look for those moves to the downside. So a clean indication, price gave us a clean indication when you clearly look at the charts at our current price, because from this reaction on our support, you can clearly see that price gave us a current high and a current low, and price is currently trading above that current high, meaning prices gave us a higher high and a higher low and a possible new higher high above our very same previous higher high. So what I can now say on gold will be very simple. If price is now giving us an indication of a reversal, giving us a bullish structure with a bullish behavior, then I guess we're gonna wait for price to print out higher lows in order for us to anticipate those continuations to the upside, looking for those new higher highs. But if price will break below our support, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside, because price could have violated a strong buy zone. But if price will hold above, then I guess we're gonna do as price is indicating to us. But to be honest with you guys, price is giving us a possible higher high, higher low, higher high behavior. If price will continue above and give us a higher high and a higher low, then I guess we might look for those possible new moves to the upside, creating a new higher high. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, last but not least, we have USDCAD. And on USDCAD, I'm confident to tell you guys that please sell USDCAD. FSCA, please don't come for me. FSCA, please don't come for me. But I'm trying to school my niggas and my brothers and sisters out there. And I repeat, guys, please sell USDCAD. Why do I say please sell USDCAD? You can clearly see one of the first indications. Price has held above our support. Price has held below our resistance. Price failed to break below resistance. Gave us a pin bar in a bear candlestick, anticipating that reversal to the downside. As you can clearly see, that price did give us that move to the downside. But when we focus on our current price, you can clearly be mindful of two things that I'm telling you guys to sell USDCAD, and you guys are not looking to sell USDCAD. So USDCAD, you guys can clearly see that we have a possible head and shoulders, and with a possible head and shoulders, price that give us a close below off of our neckline. With a close below of our neckline, we have our shoulder, we have our head, and we have our shoulder. So this is our neckline, which is our intraday support, and you can clearly see that our 4-hour candlestick gave us a close below of our neckline. So the only thing that we're now waiting on is for the current 4-hour candlestick to give us a flip. As you can clearly see, it's trading bullish. If price will give us a candlestick flip, then I guess we're gonna anticipate what those moves to the downside. Do you guys get that? Because there wouldn't be anything else that we might be focusing on. Our structure is giving us signs of a head and shoulders. Price has violated our neckline, and now price is trading below neckline. The only thing we're waiting for is for the bear momentum below neckline, so we can look for a further move to the downside on USDCAD. But be mindful of one thing. This is not financial advice. Before I end the video, I was just joking and fooling around just to make sure that I entertain and make you guys smile as you learn. Right, but without further ado, this is what we anticipate on USDCAD. Possible head and shoulders. If price stays below neckline, and if price trades below neckline, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. But if price trades above, then I guess we're gonna wait and see and look for momentum, so we can get a cleaner anticipation into what do we have to do. You guys get that? But without further ado, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, thanks for leaving a comment, and thanks for choosing COT Academy as the most legit institutes in the world, and for most of all choosing the COT Academy YouTube channel as the greatest YouTube channel you guys can ever learn forex in. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem in COT, and I might catch you guys on the next video.